Hello, welcome to my room of love. My name is Shani May, and today's discussion we'll explore 7 alluring habits that captivate and excite men. This is for my ladies listeners, okay? So grab a glass of wine or a cup of coffee or some Milo if you don't want to drink coffee or wine, and enjoy my podcast. Number 1, hip sways. When individuals feel confident, it can often manifest in their body language and demeanor. Walking with an extra sway in the hips is an example of how confidence might be expressed, particularly in women. This swaying motion, sometimes referred to as hip sway, adds a little subtle, graceful movement to the walk. It's like a bird flying, or how the lioness walk through the grass, or a cat walking gracefully. When women exude confidence through their body language, it can captivate the attention of others, and including men. The hip sway combined with an overall confident presence can have a powerful effect on those who observed it. It's very sexy. It's like dancing. The way you eat. Wow, ladies. We can eat comfortably, but if you want to attract your partner, make sure you eat gracefully. When you tap into a sensuality, even the simple act of eating can become a delightful and alluring experience. Whether you're savoring a juicy piece of fruit or indulging in a creamy scoop of ice cream, take your time and slowly enhances the pleasure. It's almost like very sensual. Men loves that. You start to appreciate the flavor and texture as you gracefully wrap your lips around each bite. In contrast, the way some men eat can be purely functional, getting the food into their mouth efficiently without much thoughts or attention. However, there's something captivating about a woman who approaches eating with the feminine-like alluring. By turning it into a sensual experience, you awaken the sense and create an atmosphere of irresistible attraction. When you allow the food to ignite your sense, it heightens the appeals of men which you're captivating by your presence. It's not just about physical act of eating. It's about embracing the experience wholeheartedly. By taking your time, relishing each morsel, and allowing yourself to be fully present, each exude a magnetic energy that draws others in. Thirdly, the way you whisper. Have you ever experienced that exhilarating sensation when she leans in close with her warm breath and graze your ears as she whispers seductively? The moment her lips barely touch her earlobe, a shiver races down your spine, causing the hairs on the neck of your head to stand on end. She murmurs, and chanting words like, "You are so sexy." It is as if the entire world comes alive with electric anticipation. In that fleeting instant, time seems to suspend. A rush of desire courses through your veins, her whisper words carrying an intoxicating power that ignites your sense and awakening the undeniable attraction within you. It's a thrilling combination of intimacy, vulnerabilities, and delicious tension that lingers in the air. When she sings, few things are as captivating as witnessing a woman in a joyous mood. When she's happily engaged in her routine, singing along to her favorite tunes while applying her makeup or gracefully preparing a meal, is an incredibly alluring sight for men. The sight that is so sexy and mesmerizing. The reason behind this irresistibly appeals is quite simple. Every man desires to his partner happy. When a woman exudes possibilities and contentment, it has a magnetic effect on those around you. It's an enhancing combination of her radiant energy, the melodic sound of her voice, and the grace with which she goes about her tasks, whether she's swaying to the rhythm of her favorite songs or effortlessly creating culinary delight. Her happiness becomes a beacon that captivates others. The way she dances. Observing a woman who's captivated by music is undeniably alluring. Whether or not she possesses exceptionally dance skills becomes inconsequential, as her mere act of moving activates her feminine essence, which is inherently seductive. The way you attract in a bedroom, every man loves when his woman rolls over unprompted and says these words, "I want you so bad." Men loves to be wanted and needed. When you show your desire for him, he will show a desire for you, and it goes up. A manner in which you pursue your dreams. There is a prevailing notion that when a woman possesses ambition and life goals, it can intimidate men. However, I hold the belief that it is not true intimidation, but rather a sense of that men experience when their partner harbors ambitions, inspirations, and significant dreams. Men are often supportive and encouraging on their partner's desire because it gives them a shared purpose and motivation to strive for their own aspiration as well. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content, we kindly request you to give a thumbs up and share it with others. Feel free to leave a comment below letting us know the kind of content you would like to, find out. And we can create it especially for you. Thank you so much and have a good night or have a good day.